So this is how you enable the better graphics within Battlefield 6. So if you didn't pre-download, you can download within the Battlefield 6 game. You can see at the top, I selected this gear icon. And then after selecting the gear icon, over here to the left, I will select System. And then once I've selected System, I can select Install, Uninstall. And then once I've selected that, you can see now it's installing multiplayer high resolution textures, campaign high resolution textures. And that's because I selected the HD, the high definition, during the download. So that's downloading. But you can see also I can select, let's see, multiplayer and campaign. So I'm just doing the high res. So that begs the question, do I still, even though I want the high res, do I still need to install the other? And I think this answers my question. Yes, I'm going to install all four. That way I've got everything. I've got plenty of storage anyway on the PS5, so why not install it all? I wish they had made this a little bit less convoluted. I mean, it's not rocket science, but it still requires additional thought. And there's a lot of people who can't think anymore, man. They gotta have everything spelled out for them. But that's why I'm posting this video. So if you're on the fence, if you've already downloaded and installed Battlefield 6 and you're in the game and you want everything, just select all four of those. I mean, it's not that difficult. Subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all my other Battlefield 6 videos too. If this video helped, subscribe, ring that bell, check out all my videos, and feel free to send me a super thanks, not required, but you can choose to do so. You can choose to click that thanks button down below this video and help to support videos like this one. Y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.